Thermal conductivity of a solid is a measure of the ability of the solid to conduct heat through it. When one end of a metal rod is heated, then heat flow by conduction from hot end to the cold end. And at every cross section, heat is transferred through the adjacent cross section. So heat received by any cross section is spent in raising the temperature of the cross section, and some part of the heat is lost to the surroundings, and rest of the heat is conducted away to the next cross section toward the colder end of the metal rod. As temperature of every cross section of the rod goes on increasing, the rod is said to be in variable state. After some time, a state is reached when temperature of every cross section of the rod becomes constant. It means no more absorption of heat occurs through that particular cross section, and the heat received from the neighboring cross section is transmitted to the next cross section of the rod, and also some amount of heat is lost at every cross section in the surrounding. And this state of the rod in which temperature of each part becomes constant and there is no further absorption of heat anywhere in the rod is called the steady state. But in steady state, temperature of each part of the rod is constant but not same. Now to define coefficient of thermal conductivity of the solid, let's consider a rectangular bar of the solid in steady state, and let two opposite faces of the section of the rod be maintained at temperature difference delta T, where let A area of cross section of the hot face and delta X distance between the two faces. T क्या है? Temperature of the cold face, and temperature of the hot face क्या है? T plus delta T. मतलब hot face और cold face के बीच में जो temperature का difference है वो क्या है? Delta T है. Now as there is a temperature difference between the hot face and cold face, so heat is conducted away toward the cold face. Let delta Q amount of heat conducted through the solid in a small time delta T. Then rate of conduction of heat क्या हो जाएगी? Delta Q upon delta T. And it is found that the rate of conduction of heat is directly proportional to the area of cross section of the hot face. Means delta Q upon delta T directly proportional to A, and also directly proportional to the temperature difference delta T between the hot face as well as cold face. Means delta Q upon delta T directly proportional to T, and but also inversely proportional to the difference in the distance between the two faces. So delta Q upon delta T inversely proportional to 1 upon delta X. When we combine all these factors, we get delta Q upon delta T proportional to A delta T upon delta X, or delta Q upon delta T is equal to K A delta T upon delta X, where K क्या है? Constant of proportionality, and is also known as coefficient of thermal conductivity of the solid. Here delta T upon delta X represent the rate of fall of temperature, which is also known as temperature gradient. If A is equal to 1, also delta T upon delta X is equal to 1, then delta Q upon delta T is equal to K into 1 into 1. मतलब K is equal to क्या हो गया? Delta Q upon delta T. तो coefficient of thermal conductivity of a solid is equal to what? Rate of flow of heat per unit area per unit temperature gradient across the solid. Here the value of K depends only on the nature of the material of the solid. So K is equal to delta Q upon delta T divided by A into delta T upon delta X. तो ऐसा यूनिट क्या हो जाएंगे K के? जूल पर सेकेंड अपॉन मीटर स्क्वायर पर K पर मीटर. यह क्या हो जाएगा? ये जूल पर सेकेंड आपका वाट हो गया, वाट पर मीटर पर केल्विन. And in CGS system, the unit of K are calorie per second per centimeter per degree Celsius.